book, 4 Stars of Destiny, the Delhi police has now taken cognizance of the information that was found on various online social media platforms and news forums, which claim that the preprint copy of the book, 4 Stars of Destiny, is being circulated. It was also reported that necessary clearance for the publication of this book is yet to be received from the relevant authorities. And this matter has been taken up in the parliament again, and that too by the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, who seems to be waving the very same book. Let's listen into what he said.
Here is a tweet from Mr. Narawane. ये देख लीजिए please.
Can you read for sir, please?
Manoj Narawane ji. It's a tweet that says, "Hello friends, my book is available now. Just follow the link. Happy reading. Jai Hind." This is a tweet that Mr. Narawane has made. You can look into the tweet. So the point I'm making is, either Mr. Narawane is lying, and I believe the army chief. Okay, I don't think he will lie. Or Penguin is lying. Somebody needs to. Both cannot be telling the truth. Okay.
So do you think this is a conspiracy?
The link is from Amazon.eu.
Yeah.
Penguin is saying something. They're saying the book is not being published. Right? The book is available on Amazon. General Narawane has tweeted, as I just read to you, that please buy my book. And I think he tweeted that in 2013, if I'm not mistaken.
23.
Sorry, 2023.
23.
So Narawane ji, who's the army chief, who I believe, over Penguin. Do you believe Penguin over Narawane ji? Right? So I believe Mr. Narawane. He's the army chief. He has made certain statements in the book that is inconvenient for the government of India. It's inconvenient for the Prime Minister of India. And obviously, you have to decide whether Penguin is telling the truth or Army Chief is telling the truth. That's
So the link suggests that it's an European link. So the Amazon link suggests that it's an European link.
Central thing is, वो दिखाना जरा वो भाई वो पिक्चर दिखाना
Poster now.
फोन पीछे यार सॉरी
this is the image. ये देखिए दिखा दीजिए यहाँ पे ये ठीक से this is the image that you have to understand. ये हुआ है जो यूएस के साथ ट्रेड डील हुई है वो इस कारण इसका फोन है
सदन में ट्रेड डील के विषय
ये हुआ है ठीक है क्लियरली इसको समझिए ये नारावाने जी की बात है एप्स्टीन की बात है ये जो सब हो रहा है राइट मेन चीज ये है
Trade deal. So the link suggests that it's an European link.
So don't know what Rahul Gandhi seems to be specifying about what he seems to be calling as a link when it comes to the purchase of the book is concerned, because Penguin India has come out with the status and their own statement. However, Rahul Gandhi seems to be claiming that this book is authenticated. But, Pragya, if one does open Amazon and search for the book, what does it show? Because Rahul Gandhi seems to be of the opinion that the book is available.
Absolutely. There have been many instances where many MPs said that this book is freely and readily available on Amazon. However, when you ask for a purchase, it says that it is not available. So, during a period of 1 or 2 days, I think Amazon has made sure that this book is not delivered, and also it cannot be bought on Amazon. But this is also after the controversy erupted over this particular book. We are given to understand that Lok Sabha has also adjourned to meet again at 12. This also certainly signals that the House is not going to function smoothly, and this is exactly what we had asked Mr. Rahul Gandhi, whether the House will function today or not, to which he did not answer. But he said that we need to look at the posters of, Prime Minister surrendering to US. And these are the visuals that he is wanting to be seen with. And in fact, he is right now sitting with those MPs who have been suspended by a speaker for the ruckus that has been created in Lok Sabha. It looks like that there are chaotic scenes going to be in the House today, and it also looks like that House is not going to function smoothly. But the politics over this book is certainly...
But what Rahul Gandhi seems to be flashing, Pragya, I mean, how did he get hold of that book then? I mean, is it the original, the copy? What are we looking at? Is it still the unpublished one? Because Penguin has come out with a stern statement saying that they will take legal action. So what was actually Rahul Gandhi flashing?
Initially when he flashed that book, it was also a hardbound. That means that it is one of the published version. But now Penguin has said that there is no publication of that book because they did not get the approval, and they are the sole custodian of the text of that particular book. This is a very big question as to how many have got hands on that particular book. In fact, Delhi police has started investigation into it, and in fact, FIR has also been lodged into this particular incident. This has to do with the national security, and it did not get approval from Ministry of Defence as well. So, who is at the fault right now? Is it who leaked this particular book? Is it Mr. Narwane? Is it Penguin?
Can legal action be taken against that very magazine that the LOP seems to be quoting from in the parliament, Pragya?
Absolutely. That means that he has text of the book, and in fact, he has the copy that he also showed that this is, and he was reading from the copy as well. So, how did he get his hands on is a matter of investigation, Amita, and this is exactly why Delhi police has registered FIR regarding this particular book. But it looks like that many in the Congress are still asking why not allowing this book to be published.
So
and
Rahul
in
Gandhi
fact,
says that the point he is making is either the former army chief is lying or either Penguin is, as far as the publication now is concerned. Let's listen in once again to the LOP of Lok Sabha, because he is of the opinion when the Prime Minister does come to the Parliament, he wishes to gift this book to the Prime Minister. Let's listen in.
Here is a tweet from Mr. Narawane. ये देख लीजिए please.
Can you read first, sir, please? We can...
Manoj Narawane ji. It's a tweet that says, "Hello friends, my book is available now. Just follow the link. Happy reading. Jai Hind." This is a tweet that Mr. Narawane has made. You can look into the tweet. So the point I'm making is, either Mr. Narawane is lying, and I believe the army chief. Okay, I don't think he will lie, or Penguin is lying. Somebody needs to. Both cannot be telling the truth. Okay.
So, do you think this is a conspiracy?
The link is from Amazon.eu.
Yeah.
Penguin is saying something. They're saying the book is not being published. Right? The book is available on Amazon. General Narawane has tweeted, as I just read to you, that please buy my book. And I think he tweeted that in 2013, if I'm not mistaken.
23.
Sorry, 2023.
23.
So Narawane ji, who's the army chief, who I believe, over Penguin. Do you believe Penguin over Narawane ji? Right? So I believe Mr. Narawane. He is the army chief. He has made certain statements in the book that is inconvenient for the government of India. It's inconvenient for the Prime Minister of India. And obviously, you have to decide whether Penguin is telling the truth or army chief is telling the truth. That's
So the link suggests that it's an European link. So the Amazon link suggests that it's an European link.
Central thing is, वो दिखाना जरा वो भाई वो पिक्चर दिखाना पोस्टर लाओ
फोन पीछे यार सॉरी
दिस इज द इमेज ये देखिए दिखा दीजिए यहाँ पे दिखा दिया ये ठीक से दिस इज द इमेज दैट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ये हुआ है जो यूएस के साथ ट्रेड डील हुई है जी वो इस कारण इसका फोन है
सदन में ट्रेड डील के
ये हुआ है ठीक है क्लियरली इसको समझिए नारावाने जी की बात है एप्स्टीन की बात है ये जो सब हो रहा है राइट मेन चीज ये है
So Rahul Gandhi there seems to be insisting that as far as the book and its availability is concerned, because he believes that Penguin, which has the sole publication rights of the book, is not speaking the truth. Nyamika, as far as today's proceedings, again, what we are looking at, the House has been adjourned, and it seems that the opposition is adamant and insisting on the same fact that as far as if the LOP is not allowed to speak, because Rahul Gandhi wants to raise the same matter again on the floor of the House, the controversy over the book and its publishing still remains a mystery.
Well, opposition is quite firm on its stand that it is the right of leader of opposition to speak within the House, and the demand is also being raised within Lok Sabha as well. We have seen that how there is continuous protest which is being done on the part of the opposition parties, and they have made it very clear that if the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, is not going to be allowed to speak, then they are going to move the no confidence motion notice against the speaker Om Birla, and that is what is being clarified on the part of various opposition leaders, that they are also in support of that, as they are basically stating that this is the double standards, the two kind of rules which are being implied upon the House, as for that reason they are basically making this allegation that the opposition's voice is getting muzzled down. We have just now listened to the statement which has been given by the LOP Rahul Gandhi when he was speaking to the media. He said that it was General Narwane himself who had made this tweet in 2023 where he had shared the link for the pre-order of this particular book. So he is basically stating that he believes in the statement which has been given by General Narwane, and he said that whatever Penguin, which is a publication of this particular book, that is basically lying to the people of this country, and that is what he has also put forward to the government as well. He is basically stating that do they believe upon the statement which has been given by General Narwane, or do they actually believe upon Penguin? So that is the question which is being raised by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as he is basically targeting the government of India, stating that they are just trying to run away from the accountability. They are just trying to run away from the questions which the opposition parties are continuously raising, and that is the only reason why this is a kind of an excuse which they are trying to give through the statement of Penguin.
All right, remains to be seen what happens from here on, because Penguin has also come out with its official statement there, where they have been saying that no copies of the former army chief's unapproved book has been published or sold. However, Rahul Gandhi seems to be of the opinion that there seems to be a direct link when it comes to the availability of the book is concerned. So Sagrika is with us right now. We're going to show you a live demo. Okay. Now, when you log into your Amazon account and if you search for the book 4 Stars of Destiny, well, Sagarika, what happens then?
So we've done a quick Google search, which anyone can do. You just type 4 Stars of Destiny Amazon and Google search. This comes up first up. So it would have you believe that, okay, maybe, just maybe the book is available on Amazon because of what pops up. Just take a look, Amita. Now, when you click on this very link, Amazon takes you to its page, and what does it say? Take a look. Rahul Gandhi says the book is available on Amazon. There are MPs of the Congress party who are saying the book is available on Amazon. But when we tried doing a search, what did we find out? Amazon throws up a link which says, looking for something, we are sorry, the web address you entered is not a functioning page on our site. Going back to the same page again, it's a very easy, quick Google search that anybody can do. And the Congress party now is claiming that this is a book which is available on Amazon. When we tried looking for it, we could not find it. This is a live demo that we are giving our viewers here from the newsroom. The Indian Youth Congress, since the last week, ever since Rahul Gandhi, made the book his one-point attack on the government, they have been tweeting some parts of the book, and the Indian Youth Congress has put out this excerpt again from that magazine article. So now the publishers come out with a statement. Rahul Gandhi just moments ago said, I believe the ex-army chief. Do you want to believe the ex-army chief, or do you want to believe the publisher? The Delhi police too has entered this very case. Here the Delhi police is going to probe the leak, and FIR has been filed. So lots of twists and turns with regards to the book battle that is playing out in the parliament.
All right. Well, these seems to be the development as far as when it comes to constant disruptions and protests again have been witnessed in the parliament in the Lok Sabha, as it has been adjourned once again till about noon. However, Sagrika, thank you very much. As far as this live demo that you have seen, if you type the book 4 Stars of Destiny, it now seems that it is not available there on Amazon. So what is Rahul Gandhi now pointing at? How did he actually get his hands on that hard book of this copy of 4 Stars of Destiny? That is something that still remains as a question. Now, when we speak of the publisher, Penguin Random House India Private Limited, that seems to have clarified that no copies of the former army chief General Narawane's book has been published, printed, distributed or sold. Now, Penguin says it holds the sole copyright and has warned of legal action against any leaks. So this seems to be the very focus there. Nyamika, it brings us to the question as far as when it comes to the publisher's statement, and if it is a possibility, because I heard one of the reporters also asking Rahul Gandhi the question, if that was, Amazon's foreign link that may have been used when it comes to the purchase of this book.
Well, Rahul Gandhi and the other opposition leaders are basically giving this statement that it was General Nirvane himself who has shared this particular link. He had also mentioned in that particular tweet that anyone can pre-order this book, as this was the tweet which he had done in 2023, and that is what the information is being shared by the opposition leaders, including Rahul Gandhi as well. He is basically stating that they believe in the statement which was being given by General Nirvane, and it is because of the way in which the government is trying to skip all these questions which are being raised by the opposition leaders. That is the only reason why a statement has been given by the publisher. The way in which Rahul Gandhi has put forward all these claims which he is continuously making upon the government, upon the Prime Minister, he is basically trying to say that the Congress party and the other opposition parties are having the complete faith upon General Nirvane. Whatever he said is absolutely right, and that is what is the question he has put forward before the government of India. They are basically stating and making this allegation that does the government believes in the statement given by the publisher, or do they have a belief upon the statement which has been given by General Nirvane? They are basically stating that the Prime Minister is just trying to skip all these questions which are being raised by the opposition parties, and that is the only reason why the leader of opposition is not being allowed to speak within the House. In fact, they have also gone on as they are basically planning that if the leader of opposition is not being allowed to speak within the House, then they are also going to move the no confidence motion notice against the Speaker Om Birla, because they are stating that this is completely against the rules, this is completely against the parliamentary norms. It is basically the right of the leader of opposition to speak within the House, and that is the only reason why continuous stalemate is being maintained on the part of the opposition, because they are
Monica, the only reason that seems to be dominating as far as the opposition's point of view is concerned. Only one reason that they believe that the LOP is not being allowed to speak, so they will not allow the House to function at all. There have been other pressing details as well that it seems that the House needs to take into focus, and we want to put out exactly what seems to be the reference that Rahul Gandhi now seems to be making of. He has now mentioned that it was a 2023 tweet, or on the X handle of General Nirvane, where Penguin India's pre-order now of the book that he raised was available through that link. And this is that very same tweet that we are putting at. He says pre-order now. General Manoj Mukund Naravane, 4 Stars of Destiny. And this is where the former army chief said that, hello friends, my book is available now. And there he says that follow the link. And this is on the 15th of December 2023, where Penguin India has also reported that it had commented, as we gear up for Vijay Diwas, let's take a moment to celebrate the heroes of our country. And as far as pre-ordering of this book is concerned, that has been a link that has been shared. But if a book can be pre-ordered, it doesn't mean that it has been published completely and it is available everywhere on every platform. That doesn't seem to be the case over here, because the publishing mystery still remains a question. Rahul Gandhi here seems to be firing the salvo, the book salvo, after the publisher's first statement has now come out. Rahul Gandhi is of the opinion that the book is available on Amazon. We just, made you see the live demo on Amazon platform. If you write 4 Stars of Destiny, there is no book available. However, Rahul Gandhi is of the opinion, then who should we believe? Should we believe the former army chief, or should we believe Penguin India, who does come out with a statement saying that the book still remains unpublished, and anyone who seems to be suspected leaking the book or the manuscript, then they would be taking legal action against it. So this seems to be the mystery, according as far as when it comes to the book itself is concerned and on its